Hello and welcome to Explorers Holiday Showcase. I'm your host, Carrie Lippert-Gillespie, and today we are at Festival Foods, one of my favorite places to shop. I'm here with Nick. Thank you so much for being here.
No problem, my pleasure.
Yeah, so we were talking about the holiday season, and you guys love to get in the festive mood. I see all the decorations here, and I love what you guys do just to get in the holiday spirit. But one of the best things you do is that you have so many ready-to-go food offerings for people who maybe don't want to take on all the cooking.
Yeah, we certainly do. It's that time of year, obviously the holiday stress is upon everybody, so we try to do as much as we can to alleviate some of that by some of our really easy grab-and-go items. Everything as simple as a simple cheese and sauces tray, veggie trays, or all the way to some of our ready-to-eat meals that are already pre-prepared and just have to go in the oven, get heated up, and are good to go.
So you can actually order your entire Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner from you guys here. So literally you place your order and then you come here and it all just comes in a box and there's directions for everything. I mean, literally you have to do nothing but put it in the oven.
Yeah. So our deli department here places or takes orders for full meals. We did it last week for Thanksgiving. We had a table set up here where people came in, were already pre-placed orders, and they picked them all up right here in grab-and-go containers and boxes and brought them home, and they were good to just get heated up and eaten.
I feel like I could still mess it up at that point with just putting it in the oven, but you guys are not responsible for my failure to operate an oven, so there you go. We're taking all the stress out of that, and that's something people are really wanting this holiday season. They have in-laws visiting or cousins or aunts and uncles, and this is just your way of making things a little bit easier. You also have soups here and rotisserie chicken and stuff like that that you just have on a regular basis if someone comes to town and it's like, oh, we didn't know they were coming. Let's run to the store, there's something already there ready for us.
Correct, yep. Like I said, specifically our deli is really good at what they do with our grab-and-go items. We have a whole case here for grab-and-go meal ideas, options, and like I said, all the way from a whole pre-packaged, pre-trade lasagna dinner.
Yeah, I love that, so no need to stress at all. You guys also do Christmas wreaths and things like that you sell out front, correct?
We do, yep, we do that. We have those out front for anybody to come and take and purchase, so yeah, a little bit of everything.
Yeah, so if you want a wreath for your door or some of those nice plant, kind of Christmas type plants that you can put on your porch for all the festive decorations.
Correct.
Anything else you guys do to really get in the holiday spirit this year here at Festival?
Minus the pre-made, more convenience features that we have here. Obviously like to shine a light on our grocery department, who has right now in our front wall of value, as we call it, when the guests walk in, they have a whole set right now of kind of your grab-and-go baking items for all your cookies, your flour, sugar, brown sugar, and even we have some cookie dough up there now too that it's frozen. You take it home and scoop it up and put it in the oven.
And we can take credit for it, right?
Yeah.
You guys even have the frosting over there.
Correct.
So all that stuff, I mean, it really can be so simple here at Festival. Thank you so much for joining us here today, and thank you for making the holidays just a little bit more easier.
Our pleasure, thanks.
Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you again next time. Let's say you have Grandma's famous cookies that you're trying to make this holiday season. They have all the ingredients right here and ready, sugar, flour, everything you need to get Grandma's cookies the way you need it. If you don't want to make Grandma's cookies, we have other cookies over here. The dough is ready to go. All you have to do is pop them in the oven. There's even icing out here that's ready to be slathered on and enjoyed. Can I have one of these?
Yeah, would you like to try a sample?
I would like to try all the
Peanut
samples.
Butter, sugar cookies, or the chocolate chip?
I'm gonna go with peanut butter.
Peanut butter? Right here, peanut butter? All right, there you go. There's
Thank
the take
you.
and bakes right over here, okay?
Awesome.